Juggling a full-time job with a side hustle that actually makes money is a very rare find in today's world, but you don't need to worry anymore, because today, we have brought you the answers. Affiliate marketing is a side hustle that you never took to because of its complexities. The competition is also really fierce. But we bring to you AI Stoore, a platform whose power building a profitable Amazon affiliate store will be a cakewalk. Affiliate marketing is tough. If you are just starting with no background in marketing or tech, it might even sound scary. From setting up a website to managing hosting, writing SEO content, finding the perfect products, and driving traffic, it is a never-ending maze. And that's before you even count the expenses, all the subscriptions, paid ads, premium plugins. It is a list that never ends. What if there was a way to skip all of that and land at the top from the very beginning? Meet AI Stoore, the revolutionary AI-powered platform that will allow you to create fully functional and high-value Amazon affiliate stores in just 60 seconds. No hosting, no coding, no monthly fees. With AI Stoore, you'll have an automated store stocked with millions of best-selling Amazon products. These products will be optimized to start earning commissions from day one. It's just 3 steps to get started. Step 1. Log into the platform and choose your niche. AI Stoore will handle the rest and your store will be ready in seconds. Step 2. AI Stoore has built-in traffic tools that will drive customers to your store automatically. Step 3. Just sit back and watch your commissions roll in from every sale. It's really that simple. Do you know why this software is perfect for everyone? 100% automation. From setup to product selection and updates, everything is done for you. Built-in traffic tools. You don't need to invest in paid ads or spend too much time on SEO because of AI Stoore's built-in tools. Millions of best-selling products. Choose a niche of your choice and your store will have millions of best-selling products from that niche. ChatGPT-Powered Content. The software will automatically generate SEO-optimized product descriptions and eye-catching visuals. No recurring costs. Forget monthly fees. This is a one-time investment. Here's the best part. AI Stoore is available at a special launch price of just $16. No monthly fees, free hosting, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. But this offer won't last forever, so click the link in the description. Join now.